Good morning, welcome to the Panda Clan. Today I'm doing a collab with Kirsten White. On her channel, you will find cleaning motivation, hauls, routines, get ready with me's, and so much more. And also she has a new channel called Real Life with Kirsten White, so go check her out and subscribe to both. If you are coming over from Kirsten's channel, hello, my name is Kelsey. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have a 22-month-old. My husband and I have been together for 8 years. I love making YouTube videos on my channel. I have tons of cleaning motivation, how-to videos. I love making videos that help my subscribers and answer their questions. I also have a grocery haul. Hope you stay and subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to stop and say hi. This living room was looking so bad. This is one of the areas that my little one and I hang out a lot, so our toys and crayons, papers are everywhere. I'm putting the paper in piles, but then my little one comes down from my nap and just throws them everywhere. There is cracker crumbs everywhere. Instead of giving me her crackers, she likes to crumple them up. This shark vacuum is amazing for picking up crumbs, but nothing gets into the mat cracks, so I have to use the handle to get everything. Today I'm finally vacuuming out this couch. Look at all those crumbs. I love crossing things off my list. Makes me want to keep going to see how much I can cross off. Anyone else like that? I'm on my entryway now. Someday I need to deep clean this room because coats and scarves sit everywhere no one wears. Look at that dirt and dust. Back into my living room, dining room, I am organizing my little one's toy bins. She either doesn't play with them anymore or are too big to play with, and the rest I'm putting them back together. I'm putting everything on the ground first just to see what she has. Then I'm putting back everything I know she plays with every day first. That is so much better. She can grab what she wants and it's organized. For now. My little one is watching me clean during this video. She saw how I moved her toy bin, so now she moves it back and forth for fun. Look at all that dust behind her toy bin. thinking about doing a review on this handheld vacuum. Do you have any questions about this vacuum? Let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. I got a new dish brush from Cub's grocery store. Works amazing. I finally got to drink my tea. I have my tea with just honey. How do you drink your tea? Let me know down in the comments. My husband and I love traveling. Road trips are our favorite, so we have tons of minutes of where we have been. You can see them on the fridge right there. With everything going on, we haven't been traveling, but we sure miss it and talk about our next adventure. We have talked about either Pennsylvania or San Diego, so we can take our little one to see the Sesame Street theme park. And we heard that they are building a new Sesame Street theme park in San Diego. Have you heard about the Sesame Street park and have you been there before? Let me know down below in the comments. Now we are on to our basement, another area my little one plays a lot. If you have made it this far into my video, I want to say thank you so much for watching this far and also watching all of my videos. I am almost at 1,000 watch hours on my channel, which is so amazing, and I love every single one of your guys' support on my channel, and that I love all of you, so thank you. I love seeing the vacuum lines. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to go over to Kirsten's channel and subscribe and comment. See you next Monday at 10 a.m.